Look at him now. You can see, guys, no cloud there, nothing, crystal clear sky. The cloud is just here, and the smoke came out from the volcanic crater. This object just moving down. Yes, and now another UFO just turned up right there. And went in the dark. And look at that, and gone. And look at the shape now. And the sun just come up. And you can see, guys, clearly the age of the craft or something. And look at them here, that steam like a dry ice. It's just come down to the edge of the craft. Maybe they cooling down those in the craft or something with like a cold air or something. Look at now the shape of the craft. Yeah, they normally camouflage the craft. That's like when if you put a dry ice in the water, the steam is coming out. And look at them now. Look at the shape of that phenomena. Look at the real shape. They're beautiful. Please watch fully this video. That's very, very interesting. And you can see now the real sightings over Amecameca. And how many times they change the shape and change the color and stationary roughly 5 or 6 L above the mountain, exactly same like that. That's not a cloud, guys. Very strange phenomena. Now that's a daytime footage. This phenomena just moving lower and lower behind the mountain. Just wondering how they're going to disappearing behind the mountain. I still keep going to filming until they're going to disappearing. Now the UFO shape came out. Just look at it now, how the sun going to hit a craft, and look at the edge came out. The contour came out clearly. How they camouflaged near to the cloud. It's very weird. I got a strong feeling this one, the portal, and where the object came out and go back again the same way. Oh, this one is weird because that's supposed to be a sunrise, and the sun supposed to be come up, not coming down. And look at now how they're going to vanish to disappearing. What the hell is this one? Because the sun, it's not going down, it's coming up. And this one, that's a huge something, lights, it's just coming down, and this one is going to disappearing. I make a little bit darker, because this one, it's coming down, and here you can see that object just moving away. Just I have to make a little bit darker, because this one, that's not, I don't think so that's a sun. And it's getting darker and so bright because that's not a sun. And at time it's now, it's 9 a.m. And this object is just coming down. It's not, because when it's in the sunset, that's undensable. And now the object is come back again. And that's not a sunset, that's a sunrise. The sun, it's coming up. This object, it's coming down. That's weird, very weird. And look at now, that object is coming out again, and this one's coming down. Just look at him, that object is just flying down. That's not possible, that's impossible to be a sun, because the sun, normally now, sunrise, it's not a sunset. And this object is a huge, very large, and make everything is that dark because the web camera, because this object is just coming down front of a web camera. Just have a look at time now. I'll show you guys the date, time, second. And just have a look at date, time, second now. That's a real time. And I go back again to that huge large object. It's which one is coming down. ~9. And look at him. That object is go back again. And look at now, they changed the... That's weird. The huge... It just appeared here, on this side. And make everything it's that dark. And look at now, they changed the time back. Look. And I go back again. This object is moving out. And look at this one, where was that phenomena here, and look at them. And look at it, a huge, large object above Amecameca. They frozen a camera now. Or maybe that possible that large object make a problem to the web camera? That possible. That large object is moving away, and here you can see it's move away again, and look at him. This object is coming out again and getting back again to normal. That's very, very weird what happened here. And you can see that object is come down before, and now it's moving up. And look at an orange color, reddish, pinkish color. And now everything is coming back normal. I leave for you guys now to that you can see the date, time, second, and you can see what happened, what's going on. Just I leave, you can see guys the date, time, and the second. And this huge, large object is just moving away. Oh, and look at this one downstairs on the side. Look at this one here. That's not a bird, that's a UFO here too. This one, the UFO here too. And this object is moving away from here. Gone. And the object is back again over there. And now everything is back to normal. This object, which one is come down, it's moving away, and this one it's coming up, and now it's coming down again. Make everything in the bed again. And now everything disappeared, even this one here too, and this object is just moving away. How you can see, guys, it's everything back to normal, and that reddish color which one's come down, it's move away, and this one is disappeared too. That was very weird, very weird. Watch fully, please watch fully this video. What you can see here on that video, amazing and unbelievable. And please watch fully this video. What you're witnessing, it's very weird. Thank you very much. That's very weird. That light it's coming down. It's very weird how there was before, and that red light is coming down, and look at the shape of that object, and look at after how they change back to normal. That's happened now. And look at the time, date time second, just now. That's a daytime second now, and watch them and have a look when this happened. Look at the daytime second where this happened. And back again to normal.